Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscribers, thank you, you are welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a WhatsApp channel. I'm going to be showing you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So there is a new update to WhatsApp whereby you can create a WhatsApp channel. Now I'm going to be taking you through the process how you can create WhatsApp channel and how you can also use this WhatsApp to make a lot of money. Your WhatsApp channel you can use to make a lot of money. But before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put down your comments below. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my screen, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So guys, you're welcome back once again. So all what you have to do now is to go to your Google Play Store to download your WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp on your phone, just go to Google Play Store to go and download your WhatsApp. But I already have WhatsApp on my phone, so I will just update my WhatsApp. Just tap WhatsApp and it will come out like this. So just open. I already have WhatsApp on my phone. So now all what you have to do to create your WhatsApp channel. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Now, before this place that it says update, what usually be before is status, but now it's just an update. Now, so let's go to this update. You can see how it come out. Like, for example, now you see this place. This WhatsApp status used to show vertically before, but now it's showing horizontally. For example, you understand what I'm saying? It used to show vertically, it's not used to show like this. So you can no longer see people's status vertically anymore. You can always see it horizontally like this. You want to see anybody's status, you keep on scrolling, you'll be scrolling like this till you will see the person that you're looking for. You can no longer search anybody's status anymore. So now you can see the channel have been following. You can see I follow cute Abiola, I followed free worship videos. You can see the channel have been following. But now I want to create my own channel right now. So guys, I want you to watch this video. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you are going to understand the process. So now what you have to do now is to click on this plus button. This plus button here, click on it. You see where it says create channel. So click on this create channel. But before we click on this create channel, if you are looking for any channel that you want to join, you can just find it here where it says find channel. Like for example, you are looking for a big celebrity that you want to join their channel on WhatsApp, you can click on this find channel. You're going to see the person there. But now I just want to create my own channel, so you click on create channel. So it's as simple as this. Can you see it says create channel to reach unlimited followers? Anyone can discover your channel. People see your channel, not you. You are responsible for your channel. You can see, just click on continue. So continue. All what you have to do now is to name your channel. For example, now I'm going to be putting the name of my channel, of my YouTube channel, on this WhatsApp channel, so that a lot of people can find me on this WhatsApp channel. So I'm going to be putting it here as online. You guys know the name of the channel, online O is a capital letter O, online O dot B space. So that's the name of the channel. So you can see it, online O dot B space. That's the name of my channel. Now all I have to do now is to describe my channel. I'll just describe what I'm doing there. So just write a little description of your channel. So let me just say it now. So hi beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online. So that's all. So this is my own description, so you can write your own description. It depends on what you want to do on the channel. So now create the channel. So it's as simple as that. See, you can see my own channel here. This is it. It says online o.b space. So if you want to add your profile picture, all you have to do is this. Very, very simple. You can click on this gallery, this thing that says gallery. Then you choose the picture that you want to use. Now let me choose picture. So I'm good to go. So this is the picture I'm using for my channel. So guys, hope you've learned something. How can you make money from this WhatsApp channel? If you're an affiliate marketer, you can use this WhatsApp to advertise your online course. Or if you are a business person, you can always market your product and services on this channel. So that is that about this channel. Thank you for watching to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share, and put down your comments below. Bye.